This is day 2 with Lucky Bird. He made it to the night. He's learning how to eat seed. Has no one to teach him. Thank you, God, for protecting him. Don't know what kind of bird he is. His eyes barely look open. Oh. See if I can get a little closer. I don't want to scare him. Oh, he opened his eye. He's so young. I prayed for him so hard last night, and he made it. What kind of bird is that? Anyone watching this video knows what kind of bird this is. It's beautiful. It's got beautiful red colors. No, he's not a cardinal. I know that for a fact. Some type of sparrow, maybe? I don't know. I'm going to have to look him up, but my bird book's packed up. Okay, Lucky Bird. More later.